Welcome to Telephony Setup. Here you configure primary phone settings and manage dedicated phone line assignments for all your team's outward and inward calling needs. Click Purchase Phone Number to view all available phone lines. You can enter specific digits into the search field, such as 55 or 19, to easily locate matching numbers. Select your desired phone number from the options. Enter a clear display name such as Hypersales and click the Purchase button to finalize your phone line acquisition. Expand your newly purchased phone line below to configure all its routing settings. You can toggle primary phone and attach corresponding products such as Hypersales Advanced Plan. Assign specific inbound workflows for handling incoming customer calls and outbound workflows for automated lead outreach. Notice the instant WhatsApp integration icon, allowing your agents to send direct chat messages right away. Your telephony setup is now fully configured. Next, we will learn how to embed AI agents directly into your website using widgets.